What's up? I'm Seth with Best I Can Do Barbecue. Today I'm gonna try not to screw up chicken. Again. 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 And what I'm gonna do with this chicken today is I'm gonna eventually turn it into tacos, but first we're gonna spatchcock it. And so I'm gonna start here at get the little neck there. We know that the neck is connected to the backbone. I'm just going to cut down his backbone here with some kitchen shears. I'm going to come right here to the other side. Do the same thing here. Alright, we just about got him out there. We had some better kitchen shears. And these things suck. There we go. I'm gonna totally dissect this guy. What's the deal? Cut the damn bone.
Ninja kick the damn rabbit.
There we go. Backbone's out of there. Alright, now. Next what we're gonna do is we're just gonna, oh no, I gotta go a little bit further. I have no idea what you can see. Oh, it still looks okay. There we go. Got this little chicken nugget off there. Alright, now. Alright, so we're just gonna kind of break this guy open. And a lot of guys will hear him a little push down until you hear a pop or whatever, this fucking thing. Alright, now that wasn't the pop we wanted here, that was a wing. So we got him kind of spread open. Now, we're gonna cut this keel bone out of here. So we're just gonna kind of come down through here, just like, ooh, just like that. Just like that a little bit. You know what? Keel bone. Flip this chicken over, and you can see the reason that we spatchcocks the chicken is because he lays out flat. Alright, so I did this earlier when I was opening the chicken. I cut him open, so sad. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly, without trying to tear it any worse, work my finger underneath the skin. Okay, and we've discussed this before on previous videos, that I think that one of the best ways to season your chicken is to season underneath the skin here. Now, I'm going to shed a glove. Like a glove.
Like a glove.
I said I was. Alright. Now, I picked this up at my local Wal-Mart. Manitou, Ancho, honey, citrus spice. So, we're going to try that. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of peel this back. Alright, so now the next thing I want to do is something I've never done before. I've never seen anybody do on a chicken, but I did see somebody do it on a turkey. I'm going to cover them in mayonnaise and see what happens. But first I'm going to pat him dry. So patting him dry, as I'm doing here with my gloved hand, is going to help make everything be more crisp, better skin, and that's what we want here. Alright, so a little pan is just not quite big enough for this chicken. Alright, so everybody says Dukes, okay? That's what they say. They say if you're not using Dukes, then you're Dookie. Don't call me Dookie. Alright, so alright, time to change gloves. So got this Duke's mayonnaise. I'm not gonna go crazy with the Dukes. I don't know. I've never done this before on any type of anything. So we're just gonna squirt some out. Just gonna kind of rub it in. Put some lotion on its skin here.
It rubs the lotion on its skin. It does this whenever it's told.
A little mayonnaise here for this chicken. We're just covering this whole beast in mayonnaise here. All right, now that I've done that, it's all mayonnaised up. I'm gonna season it a little more. All right, we've got mayonnaise, we've got season. Now I'm gonna get my grill ready, and we're gonna smoke this guy on my PK. I'm gonna try to go 275, 300 degrees for a few hours and see what happens. Catch you at the grill. All right, so my air conditioner's running full blast. It's November in Arkansas. I got my grill up to 300 degrees. As you can see, I've got the charcoal on one side, a drip pan on the other, the beautiful Spatchcock chicken. Now, I'm gonna lay you down and move, because I'm alone. I never have a second hand. This is always just me. Drunk Seth cooking food all the time. Back Spatchcock chicken on the PK. Oh yeah. It's gonna be great. Except my hands are so gross. Let's check temps. We're looking for 165 in the dark. I'm showing 128 in the dark. Fresh meat. Saying 110. I'm not so sure that I'm comfortable with that. Zero is tender. 140, 147. Either way, we not at 165. Alright, so our chicken is done. And like I said, I don't know if I said it, I thought it. A goal of this Spatchcock chicken was to make chicken tacos. So I'm gonna start out my base of my corn tortilla taco with some pico. And I'm gonna, oh shit, they come out with fury. I have some I've spread it around as best I could. It is avocado sauce by Kumana. I'm gonna put some fresh avocado on here. This is a thing I wouldn't eat in the years past, but it's become a staple. Alright, so we can look here. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this leg. Look at this wing. Look at that shit. Oh my gosh. Look at this chicken. Look at that. That's a beautiful piece of chicken that I cooked. We're gonna go ahead and just, I'm gonna slice me a couple pieces off. Oh yeah. That breast. That shit's hot. The way you make me feel. Well, that's in my, I know it's in my head. It was on the radio today. So we got 3 pieces of that chicken breast. I'm gonna take me some cilantro with this big ass knife, stems and all, open that up, right there on top. And then, a piece de resistance. Some lime juice. My little chicken taco. Give her a shot. Good bite. First thing I get is a lime. Then I get that the chicken is great and the avocado is not ripe. Didn't really pick up any cilantro really. Most of what I got was unripe avocado and cilantro and pico. The mayonnaise turned out great on the chicken. I would say do it. I would say definitely give it a shot. Rub your chicken covered in mayonnaise. Makes the skin crispy. Find you a good rub. Remember to like and subscribe. Comment if you think I'm doing this wrong. If if you make better chicken tacos, let me know. Remember, be sure to hit the little bell so you get notifications. And remember to drink local and eat local. Cheers.